today's mini lesson video, we're going to be talking grammar, specifically nouns, verbs, and adjectives. So I know we've talked a lot about this throughout the school year, and especially recently in the past couple of weeks. I know we just did adjectives last week, and some of you struggled immensely with this. That means every activity you were doing, you were getting wrong, so you just didn't know what an adjective was. Okay? An adjective is a word that describes the noun. Okay, let's review. A noun is a person, place, thing, or animal. A verb is an action word, something you can do. And an adjective is a describing word. Okay? These are three parts of speech that you can never, ever forget. Nouns, verbs, and adjectives. Okay, so that's why this week we're going to do all three together, and I want you to identify, is it a noun, is it a verb, or is it an adjective? So that's exactly what we're going to do right now. So I put a bunch of words on index cards. We're going to read them, and then you guys are going to help me sort them by which part of speech it is. Now remember, a verb is something you can do. So if you're trying to say paper towel is a verb, I'm going to ask you, show me how to paper towel. That seems kind of silly because you can't do that. So paper towel must not be a verb. Does paper towel describe anything? No, so it must be a noun, a thing. Okay, so let's go through my cards and we'll sort this and hopefully you guys get the same answers. Okay, so my first word. What is your first word? Good, dog. Is dog a noun, verb, or adjective? Of course, dog is a noun. It is an animal. Okay, let's look at the next word. Ooh, I like this word. This word is challenging. Challenging. So is challenging a person, place, thing, or an animal? Is it an action word? Or is it a describing word? Challenging is definitely an adjective. It's going to describe my noun. Maybe my noun is homework and my adjective is challenging. Another word for challenging is like difficult, hard. Okay. Oh, I like this one. Here's my word. What's the word? Silly. So is silly a noun, a verb, or an adjective? Of course, it's a describing word, so it's an adjective. All right, so we have challenging and silly for adjectives. Okay, how about this word? Ooh, you learned that digraph. PH says f. And that's a long O because I see the silent E. So you should be able to read this word as phone. Phone. So is phone a noun, a verb, or an adjective? Of course it's a noun because it's a thing. A thing that, in my opinion, too many kids have. All right, let's get this next word. What is this word? Sleep. Good. I bet you all of our sleep schedules have been off since we don't go to school anymore. We just do it online. So is sleep a noun, a verb, or an adjective? Oh, I guess I got some guests here today. Okay, sleep, a noun, a verb, or an adjective. It's a verb because it is something you can do. Good. Let's get another word here. Oh. How about this word? Three. Like Mason is going to be 3 this summer. Is three a noun, a verb, or an adjective? If you said adjective, good job. It's describing. I just said Mason's going to be 3 this summer. Mason is my noun. My describing word, my adjective is 3. Okay, let's get the word. Here, well, I'm just trying to make it even here. What is this word? Good, play. What part of speech do you think play is? A noun, a verb, or an adjective? If you said verb, of course it is. It's something you can do. All right, so it looks like we're tied up here. Let's see, what else do I have? Let's just mix this up now. Okay. Oh, what is this word? Walk. So is walk a noun, a verb, or an adjective? What do you think? It's a verb, of course, because it's something you can do. All right, so it looks like we're tied verbs and adjectives. And I'm not looking, I'm just grabbing a card. Oh, how about this? I have some of this right here. Play-Doh. Ooh. Is Play-Doh a noun, a verb, or an adjective? Of course it's a noun. It is a thing. Okay, we're all tied up. That means I'm going to give you 3 more because then we are going to run out of room on our board. And, okay, I'll pick these 3. Okay, so one of these is a noun, one's a verb, and one's an adjective, just to even it up. Okay, what is this word? It's a really nice word. This word is loving. Loving. Is loving a noun, a verb, or an adjective? What do you think? Loving is definitely an adjective because it describes. It describes. If I said I'm very loving, me, myself, Miss Wagner, I am the noun. My adjective is loving. I describe my personality. Okay, next one. Scary. Scary. Noun, verb, or adjective? Okay, actually, I don't know how that card got mixed in because scary is also an adjective. We ran out of room. Here we go. Okay, how about this word? One of my favorite places to be, school. Noun, verb, or an adjective? Well, I kind of just gave you a hint when I said one of my favorite places. Of course it's a noun because it's a thing. I'm sorry. Of course it's a noun because it's a place, like I just said. One of my favorite places to be. Sorry, guys. You know, I'm just lose my mind here. All right, let's get one more. How about this word? One of my favorites. Laugh. Laugh. Ha, 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 ha. I don't really laugh like that, but noun, verb, or an adjective? Of course, good. It's a verb. It's an action. It's something you can do. So a noun, a person, place, thing, animal. School, dog, phone, Play-Doh. Verb is an action word, something you can do. Laugh, sleep, play, and walk. You can do all those things if I asked you to show me. Yeah, Play-Doh, good job. And then an adjective is a describing word. Scary, challenging, silly, 3, and loving. Anything that describes is an adjective. I hope this was helpful, and I hope you do a lot better with nouns, verbs, and adjectives. As you can see, the kids are taking over my video, so we gotta go. Bye, guys.